I have an exciting announcement today about Quilt Retreats, as so many customers have been asking, when are those fall retreats happening? I want to come out. This is on my bucket list. Tell us, Jen, when are those dates? So today I'm going to announce those, as well as the day that you'll be able to begin signups. We have over 100 people standing by on the wait list for the Coeur d'Alene Resort itself, and we have dozens of people also on the Lutherhaven list. We want to give you plenty of notice so that you can add this to your calendar and set 2 alarms so you don't miss out on signups. We think that both retreats will sell out possibly in one day, if not a few hours. And so we want to give you plenty of heads up. Okay, Camp Lutherhaven, the dates are October 11th to the 16th. Perfect time to quilt, beautiful fall colors, of course, just that crisp air in the morning and evening. It's the perfect quilting weather. And then 2 weeks after that, at the Coeur d'Alene Resort, again situated on the north end of beautiful Lake Coeur d'Alene, October 25th through the 30th. So we'll get you home just in time for Halloween if you like trick-or-treating with those kiddos. So those are the 2 retreat dates. Now you'll be able to go to the Shabby website right now. At the very top where there's an events tab, click that. You'll see both of those 2 retreats. You can click on the ones, you can click on both of them if you'd like. Be able to watch a video, read the information there, read through the questions and answers so you know exactly which one of those is perfect for you. Then, this is a very important date to put into your phone, and again, set 2 reminders. March 23rd at 10 a.m. Pacific time. So if you're on Mountain Time, that's going to be 11 o'clock your time. We're 1 hour behind you. Central Time, that'll be noon your time. And if you're on the eastern side of the United States, in the Eastern time zone for you, that'll be 1 p.m. Eastern time. So again, March 23rd at 10 a.m. Pacific. Boom, at that moment, both retreats will open. Here's what I want you to do. The most important thing is to reserve your spot in your favorite retreat immediately. If you're thinking you want to go to the Coeur d'Alene Resort, book with Shabby first and then call the hotel. There's plenty of rooms out there, but very limited space here in both of these. And as I said, these are going to sell out very, very quickly. Something else I want you to do, head to the Shabby site. Many of you are on the email list, but not yet receiving text. Hey, you're like me. I'm on my phone all the time. Email, maybe once, twice a day. This is very timely. Hit the subscribe button. You will see there, even if you've signed up for email before, put your phone number in. That way you're going to be getting text. We'll be sending out reminders as we lead up to this date, including the morning of, like, get ready. This is about to open. It's going to be very fast and very furious for people getting their spot in these incredible retreats. Our next retreats will be spring of 2027, so this will be your last opportunity to hang out with Tammy and I for retreats. We can't wait to see you. This is incredible, and anyone that has ever attended our retreats before will say the same. So we look forward to seeing you at a future Shabby Quilt Retreat.